Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your recording device in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity application on your computer. Once the program launches and you see the main interface with all its editing tools and waveforms, direct your attention to the top toolbar. This is where you'll find all the essential controls for setting up your recording environment. In the top toolbar, locate and click on Audio Setup. This is the central hub for all your audio input and output configurations in Audacity, allowing you to control which devices the software uses for recording and playback. Clicking this option will reveal a drop-down menu with several audio-related settings. Now hover your mouse over recording device in the menu that appears. You'll see a list of all the available recording devices connected to your computer. This could include your built-in microphone, external USB microphones, audio interfaces, or any other input devices you have set up. Take a moment to review the options and identify which device you want to use for your recording session. Go ahead and select the microphone or audio interface you want to record from by clicking on it. Choosing the right device is crucial because it determines the quality and source of your audio input. For example, if you're recording a podcast, you might select a USB condenser microphone, or if you're capturing instrument audio, you might choose a dedicated audio interface. This selection tells Audacity exactly where to listen for incoming audio signals. After selecting your preferred recording device, it's a good idea to verify that everything is working properly. Click the recording button in the top left corner of the interface to test it. This button typically has a red circle icon and will start capturing audio from your newly selected device. Watch the input levels as you speak or play sound into your microphone. You should see the waveform appear and the level meters respond to your audio. If you see activity in the meters and a waveform being generated, congratulations, your recording device is now properly configured and ready to capture high-quality audio. And that's it! You've successfully changed your recording device in Audacity and can now start recording with your preferred microphone or audio interface. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.